Okay, so today we have a new video about a new video editor, MiniTool Movie Maker. I've worked with MiniTool in the past, especially with their MiniTool data recovery, and it's really good actually. But now they approached and they want me just to take a look at MiniTool Movie Maker 7.3. And so we shall do. It says a movie editing software you must explore. And indeed, that's gonna be the title. I like that. Thanks for the title idea, MiniTool. And yes, full disclosure, they sent me an actual license for the software. So we're gonna go through it. I have read and agreed. We're gonna do the installation. Link will be down below, by the way, so you can go explore it yourself. I believe they have a free version. Let me just check it real quick just to make sure. Yes, they have a free download. And between the audio formats, MiniTool Video Converter, PDF Editor. That's cool to know. So if I'm not wrong, yes, they have a free download, and it says, looks like you can do 1080p without a watermark on the free version. So in my thingy here, I have the ultimate plan that they gave me the license for, but basically the free version is video effects, text, elements, and export to 1080p, I think without watermark, and the first 3 videos without length limit, and then export videos within 2 minutes afterwards. So you can test it. That's basically what it is. These are the prices for now. So let's go to what we downloaded here. We're gonna hit start, and then I'm gonna plug in the license. Okay, this is the opening. 16:9. Oh yeah, they have the portrait here right away. 9:16 to do shorts if you wish so. Standard 4:3, which old TVs used to have, and 1:1 Instagram and some other media, but usually I only record 16:9. Hit new project, music and sound effects. It has kind of similarities to if you've ever used Power Director. Power Director was similar to this actually. Okay, let me just plug in my license and we'll get right back. Okay, and as you see now I am Ultimate. Yeah, I'm just gonna plug some video that I made, more like a video test about a camera, I guess. This one here is as good as any. And the timeline looks pretty okay, I think. Let me add another one. Okay, so if I add the second one here. Oh, so it kind of does this by its own. Look at that. So let me go back to the video. And it plays pretty good, the scrubbing part of it at least. Okay, so here I'm assuming we can add, like we used to do in Movie Maker, transitions. Oh yeah, I think that is what this is because it's the same logo. And there's a lot of transitions actually that you can download here. Let me add this one here and let's see how it looks. And it looks really cool. Look at that. It has actually really good basic transitions and advanced transitions if you want to. That is a lot of transitions, by the way. I actually like that. Download YouTube videos. Oh, so you can get the video converter. That's what that means. So that is a lot. These are the light ones. Wipe effects, advanced, diagonals, iris, or the eye stuff, page peels, and reveals. I like that. Look at that. Text. Let's see what kind of text do we have here. Okay, for example, this one right here. Can I just drag and drop? Yep, I like that. So I can put it where I want. And this camera was AZ Dome 4K-cam. Okay, so can I change things within this text? Right here. Yep, it has actually a lot of these cool things here. I can put it right here. Can I extend? Yeah, I like that. You can change the colors. Oh, the spacing on the rows, the opacity. I like that. It's very simple. Very, very simple. You can get templates directly, so it kind of guides you. Travel, love, family and friends, or festival. That is actually not bad at all. So let me just play this real quick. Oh yeah, so the animation plays on it. Nice. Let me go ahead again. Let's see just how it looks. And AZ Dome. Yep, it looks really cool actually. I gotta say, look at that. Let me put it, for example, here. Let's say I was doing this one for real. Okay, and let me repeat it again. Look at that. That is actually not bad at all. For a simple text and a simple video editor. It has these titles here, looks like, wherever this one is, example. Oh, look at that. So you add it almost like a movie part of it. I like that. It has really good motion to it. Let me add another title right here. Let me play it. Yeah. It's actually pretty good for a simplistic style. Oh, and you have a lot of music that I'm assuming is licensed to use. So that's good. Let me put it under this video if I can. Here. Okay. And as I play it, yep. Let me push it under this other video. Yeah. It actually works really, really nice. So... and you have a lot of music, looks like here, including sound effects, which are these trending with cows, of course. Ambience, fight, horror. That's actually not bad. Effects. That is something I'm interested in. And let me see if I can make a video. Let me download it. Yep. The effect is this here. Yep. Let me add it to this one. Yeah, perfect. So it opens like that. Does it close like that too, or just open?
I'm just doing everything I promised because I want it bad enough that I'ma make it.
Only opens for now. So that is actually really nice. I'm liking it. So you start the clip. You go from here. And then when it transitions, boom, you have a stylish, actually really good looking effect. This is called smoke light. Okay. Let me see what smoke light is. Look at that. This is actually really cool. I have to say it. So especially for story mode, and if you put pictures under this one, the smoke light will look really, really nice. A lot of frames. I like that they included a lot of these with motion. I always like that. See what kind of filters we have. Oh yeah, it's loaded with filter. I like that. Okay. One thing I wish I could just click right here and the needle would move there instead of having to drag the needle. But that's something probably they will change. But the scrubbing is really good. Everything is really good. Let me add this one here. Okay, I'm gonna add it to this one because it looks like it's a beginner anyway. So let's see when it transitions, and yep, I see the stars and all that cool stuff. This is actually really, really cool. Again, thank you to MiniTool for sending this license for this software. I'm actually liking it. Let me see what kind of elements. Yeah, we have the loading, and let me put it right here. Or actually, let me zoom out just a little bit. Let me put this loading on the very beginning. Look at that. And we'll get the AZ Dome dash cam right there. So let's see how that looks. Look at that. Complete. That is actually really cool. This is really nice. Oh, and they added a lot of these smoke effects. I am quite a sucker for these things. Smoke effect? Oh, bring it on. Look at that. So, for example, let me see here. Start like this. Right after it's loaded. Look at this one. Perfect. So, I am actually surprised how good this works for a very simple one. Pets, food, basic, travel, arrows, festival. You don't realize how many times you need one of these elements until you actually need one just for that tiny clip end that you wanted to add something, and you have to go scour Google to find a GIF, and most of the time it doesn't work. And let's see some motion. Let me cut this clip, for example, from here to here. Cut this here, just so we can add something to this one, I guess. Yep. Now we added it. So let's see how it looks. Look at that. So it's spinning the whole video. That is actually really cool. I'm interested in this app now. Because especially for a quick edit that you're not gonna do too much stuff on it, I think this is worth it actually. Increase the light contrast, brightness. Look at that. We make it warmer. Perfect. And 3D LUTs. 007, dark film, the Lomo VS. That looks actually really good. Let me get rid of this action here. Look at the color now with that Lomo VS. How beautiful it makes it like an action movie. I like that. Wow. And the speed. Okay, now let me check something with the speed. Let me lower the speed. What does it do with the speed? Actually, it does it pretty good. I cannot say it's doing it bad at all. Reverse speed. Okay. So it grabs it from the other side. This is me moving, so okay. I don't know if that flicker is because I kept adjusting the focus on the camera or why, but and here's just the media you have here, the tracks. Can I add more than one track of film though? No. Oh, add empty track. I would like to add movies or video on these tracks. It looks like it's a single track. Paste. Nope. Nope. So it's only one track of video. So you cannot exactly overlay another video. Let me go under. Nope. If you press plus, it just stays there. The undo button works. Okay. That's the speed, delete, cut. Does cut have shortcuts? Not here. Okay. You can crop the screen, obviously, and you can go here, for example, 916 for a shorts video.
Don't try to stop this.
Style, which is really cool to have. And besides that, actually, there's not much else to do here. And you can go here to File, New Project, Open Project, save it as project, import media from PC or exit. And besides that, there's nothing else to do here. That was pretty much all of it. And let's see the export now. Okay, on PC, and we're gonna do MiniTool export, and we're gonna put it to our desktop. We're gonna put it to our desktop file format. You can have MP4, AVI, MOV, WMV, Windows Media Video, MKV, or Matroshka, WebM, GIF, and MP3. Oh, so you can export as a GIF or WebM, or as audio only as MP3. That is actually not bad. And the resolutions are 1280 by 720, 1366 by 768, or 1920 by 1080. And the frames can go from 24 to 60, which is actually really good. And you can trim the audio to the video length. So as you see here, we have more audio than film, and I'm going to trim it automatically. And the size seems to be 220 megabytes, or otherwise you can export to a device if you have it connected, or the style. I'm gonna leave it MP4, and let's see how it exports. And let me put the sources here. So it's doing mostly on CPU somehow, GPU. Yep, that I have OBS open too, so that it's not the software alone, but looks like most of this video export is being done on the CPU side with MiniTool Movie Maker, and about a small percentage of it through the GPU. I wish they had an option to do software export, CPU export, or GPU export, so you can select your card to render. That would be great. But looks like it does it automatically. And I'm assuming this MiniTool Movie Maker is for someone that wants to do a quick YouTube video, that you don't need too many effects or anything. And even if you have an older machine, or maybe not as powerful machine, it would still work, looks like. So we're gonna wait till this export is fully done and get back to you and see what it took. More than 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. Okay, so that video has been exported, and the target is right here. Well, actually, at least the resolution is actually not bad at all, so it looks like it's working. And as I said, it is a simple video editor, not too complex, so anybody can use it and anybody can learn to use it fast. So all the audio video tracks are here, which is one track, audio tracks, and these look like the effect tracks more than anything right here, up to 3 of them. And pretty much this is it, with everything that it had, with audio, text, transitions, effects, filters, elements, and motion. And with that said, link will be down in the description. Again, thank you to MiniTool for being a great sport with this channel. I really appreciate them, and we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!